Morning, welcome to today's show. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing another project. Make a wooden coat hanger. Piece of ash, 2 feet long, 3/4 inch thick, 1.5 inches. We're just gonna cut it in 1/4 inch strips. Let's get started. Okay, we got them all cut 1/4 inch pieces. 4 should be enough. We'll wet them and bend them. There's nothing to it. Here, I fill this piece of conduit up with water. We'll put those pieces in there. Long piece of anything, it's good. Then we're going to bend them around my fire pit, but if you have anything else that's round, you can do that. Well, let's let them soak. Okay, there. So you just let them soak in some water. And I'm going to wrap them around my fire pit. Okay, we're going to use this. We're going to use this to bend our wood around. Just going to wrap it with this rope. I just put a clamp at each end, hold it, and it can sit there now overnight. Okay, we have them all glued together. We have glue on all of them now. Okay, there it is all clamped. We're going to let that sit overnight. See what that looks like. Okay. 2 hours later. Looks good. It's going to leave it on overnight, but it's going to rain. The glue's all dry. Bit of a gap here, but nothing that varnish won't fill in. That's pretty neat for my first hanger. Okay, we'll work on it tomorrow. I took a square, made a mark in halfway. Now I'm going to go 8 inches out and cut it. I'm going to cut it like this. Here like this. Alright, like that. Oh, here's where our mark is. Not too bad. Okay, let's stand her up. There, my truck's in the way, so it's far away, but I made a longer base here to put my hanger on so it stays straight before we drill it. That way your your hook is straight. There, it's all done. If you're going to make a hanger, you just put in there, epoxy it in. But you know, if you've been following along, I'm going to put this on the closed valet I'm making. So it's going to just screw right to the top corner. I'll show you that later. There it is. Well, I'm going to cut an old hanger. Let's make this. There, I'll have to trim it a bit. Okay. There you go. You can use any piece of metal that you get, and then put some weld bond in there. That's probably going to glue the metal to the wood. But you know, I'm using this hanger for something else, so I'm just going to save this part for my next hanger. You can finish it the way you want. I'm going to match it to my valet, clothes valet, you know, I'm making. So if you like today's show, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Please leave a comment, that'll help others. Thanks for watching.